Located in Suizhou, the renowned capital of special-purpose vehicles in China, Hubei Zhongyu Environmental Equipment Co., Ltd. is a premier manufacturer dedicated to revolutionizing urban sanitation. Since our establishment in 2020, we have rapidly grown into a specialized, refined, distinctive, and innovative enterprise, combining cutting-edge R&D with robust manufacturing capabilities. From the bustling cities of Southeast Asia and the arid landscapes of the Middle East to the vast terrains of Central Asia and South America, Zhongyu's equipment is actively powering waste management systems worldwide. We don't just sell machines. We deliver tailored environmental solutions that adapt to diverse climates and operational needs across the globe. We are proud to be a recognized high-tech enterprise with a solid foundation in quality and innovation. Certified quality, fully compliant with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 standards, ensuring every piece of equipment meets rigorous international safety and environmental benchmarks. Innovation-driven, with an R&D team holding over 20 patents including invention and utility model patents. Our Yushi brand represents the forefront of technology in waste compression and transfer. Robust capacity, spanning 28,000 square meters with an annual output value exceeding 60 million yuans. We deliver reliability at scale. Under our trademark Yushi, we offer over 40 models across 3 major categories, designed for efficiency, durability, and intelligence. Advanced waste compression stations, including mobile, vertical, horizontal direct pressure, and specialized underground landscape types. Smart sanitation vehicles, featuring roll-off garbage trucks and pure electric compression cleaning vehicles. Comprehensive treatment systems, complete sets of wastewater and solid waste treatment equipment. Zhongyu goes beyond manufacturing. We provide end-to-end support to ensure your operational success. 1. Customized configuration, tailored solutions designed specifically for your regional requirements. 2. Operational optimization, expert planning for transfer routes to maximize efficiency and minimize costs. 3. Global after-sales support, backed by our 10-star after-sales service certification. We promise rapid response and lifelong technical support.